Figured I'd do a quick video of this little coil horn clip fan that I picked up at the dump today. I think I paid about maybe $3 for it, and you'll see why it was so cheap in a minute. But first, look at the informations. Model KH-06-CL-SL. 120 volts, 60 hertz, 4/10 of an amp, 25 watts. Made in Taiwan. So, yeah. Unfortunately, I believe the motor is shot because what I did, this was like before I decided to put a drop of oil in it. Didn't really need a little work. Yeah, it didn't sound good. And when I did put a drop of oil in it, it wasn't much better. You'll see why in a minute. So we're going to plug up and here we go. Alright, we're plugged up, so you'll see what I mean. I think I might have fixed it, I don't know. Because it felt like the rotor was rubbing up against the stator. Kind of like how that tornado fan is. And right now we're running 15 watts at 2400 milliamps, so it's in spec. Yep, you heard that. And we're running 1700 milliamp at 10 watts. It kind of sucks because I like the color. I mean, it's nothing screams 80s like clip fans and vibrant colors like pink and beige and blue and whatever. Let's check spin down time now. Yeah. I mean, it's got good spin down time, but let me at least show you what I mean. Yeah. So I think the motor is just about shot. I mean, it may still be usable if I don't tilt it up, but who knows? Who the F knows? So that's the quick assessment of this little coil horn 6-inch clip fan that I picked up at the dump. Honestly didn't need it because, well, usually 9 times out of 10, dump finds are usually garbage. And this is another one of them, so who knows what will happen to this. So, till next time, whatever it is, I'm going to see you think of watching. Come on, it's open.